Hi everybody, welcome to MathJLab Educare. In this lesson, we are going to talk about numbers. A number is a basic unit of mathematics. Numbers are used for counting, measuring, and comparing amounts. A number system is a set of symbols or numerals that are used to represent numbers. The most common number system uses 10 symbols called digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and combinations of these digits. Now, let's have a look on a video clip.
Today the weather is very beautiful.
Yes, and the place is very nice.
Look, Lena, there are 2 butterflies.
Yes, they are very beautiful.
There are some birds flying in the sky.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. There are also many mango trees over there.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so many mango trees.
That's a natural number, right?
Yep, natural numbers are the numbers we use for counting, like 1, 2, 3, and so on.
So every time we count real things, like trees or birds, we're using natural numbers.
Exactly, nature loves numbers too.
In this video, you have seen that number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are used for counting. This number is called the natural number or counting number. We define the natural number by the capital letter N and can be written as like this.
So, numbers like 10, 45, 99 and so on that we use for counting are called natural numbers.
Yes, you are absolutely right. The natural number is also known as positive number or positive integer. It begins from 1 and go on forever. If we add 0 with natural number, then we get the whole number. Here we see that whole number contains the natural number. We also see that whole number starts from 0, whereas natural number starts from 1. Now, we are going to talk about negative number. If we put minus sign before the natural number, we get the negative number. For example, if we put minus sign before 2, we get the negative number, and it is called minus 2. Similarly, if we put minus sign before 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get the negative number like this. The negative number is sometimes called the opposite number. For example, minus 1 is opposite to 1 and minus 10 is opposite to 10. So, we have got 3 kinds of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers and negative numbers. Now, we are going to talk about another kind of numbers and it is called integers. Now, if we include the negative numbers into the whole numbers, then we get the new form of numbers which is called integers, and it looks like this. Now, let us watch a video. In this video, we shall see that how we use the integer numbers in our daily life.
Wow, it's amazing.
It's really wonderful.
Wow, we are 10 meters above the ground.
So that's positive 10, right?
Yep, positive numbers mean we are above the ground.
What, if we go down to the ground?
Then we are at 0. 0 means we are right at ground level.
And what if we go lower, down into the valley?
That's below 0, like negative 5.
Oh, integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0.
Exactly, integers show how high or low we go, just like this balloon.
We can use integer numbers to measure the temperature in cold countries.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Now, we are going to explore another kind of number, which is called fraction numbers. If we have an apple, then we say, we have 1 apple. But after taking some portion, can we express this by a number, what portion we have? To count or measure these types of elements or things, we use the fraction numbers. If we eat half of the apple, then we express this by the fraction number like this, and it is called half, or 1 by 2. A fraction is a number written as a quotient, that is, one number divided by another and is expressed as like this. If numerator is 3 and denominator is 4, then the fraction number is 3/4 and is read as 3/4. For example, 1/2, 1/3, 2/3, 1/4, 3/4, 1/5, 1/6, 2/7, 1/8, and so on, are the examples of fraction numbers. So, can anyone tell me how many kinds of numbers that we have learned so far from this lesson?
We have learned about natural numbers, negative numbers, whole numbers.
And also, integers and fraction numbers.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. Now, we can express all these numbers by a straight line, and it is called number line. Let us see, how does it work? Let us first draw a straight line. Put 0 at middle point on the straight line. Then put natural numbers on the right side of 0. Then put negative numbers on the left side of 0. Then we get the number line of all the numbers. Here, every point on the line is a number. It may be natural, whole, negative, integers or fraction number. Let us solve a problem. Find out the natural numbers, whole numbers, negative numbers and integers from the following numbers. 2, 9, minus 5, 0, 11, 14, minus 9, 15, minus 13, 10.
Natural numbers are 2, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15.
Whole numbers are 0, 2, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15.
Negative numbers are minus 5, minus 9, minus 13.
Here, all the numbers are integers.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Alright, everyone, that's all for this lesson. From this lesson, we learned about different types of numbers and how we can represent them on a number line. I hope you now understand how numbers extend in both directions, with positive numbers to the right and negative numbers to the left. Remember, the best way to master numbers is through practice. So, take some time to draw your own number lines and try placing different types of numbers on them. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned. We upload new fun math lessons every week right here on MathJLab. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in our next episode. Goodbye, and keep exploring the world of numbers.